Hey guys, it's Rose once again for another reaction video. And this one's for BtoB's Beep Beep Beep. Now I saw all the teasers that came out and I was just like, so they're going for, I don't know, a bad boy style gangster. I think bad boy. But whatever. And it looks really good, so I can't wait to watch it. So how about let's wrap this up and let's watch it. BtoB's Beep Beep Beep. Everybody got an iPhone. He's got a car. He's like, dude, get back in the car. Like, I don't know their names either. All I know Ilhoon and PL. That's it. So PL. I think his name is Chen Soon. Beep beep bum bum. Beep beep bum bum. His voice sounds like so different than what he looks like. I love his rap style. Like, it's just so. He's going cray cray. I like how they just jumped into that. Yeah, they kind of suits. Looking like fly. He's so cute. I like how Ilhoon's like sitting on the ground. He's like, I just sit here. Beep bam bam. Beep beep bam bam. Beep beep bam bam. Beep. He's so cute. That dance move was like, if I did that, I would broke my leg. He looks dumb. I love Daddy Cars. Everybody just loves that dance move. Dude, they're dancing like the hard jam. No parking area. Wow. He's going cray cray. Beep beep bum bum. I like this video. It was really good. I don't know, I thought actually when I heard it, I thought it was gonna be like had like a crump like bass section, but it really didn't. I was quite shocked actually. I thought it was gonna be like a really hip hop song, but it really wasn't. It was more like, I don't know, was it? No, it wasn't really hip hop. I really thought it was gonna be a hip hop song, but it really wasn't that much hip hop. But I really liked it though. I liked the video. But I don't understand why it's rated 19. Maybe because of the lyrics. I didn't have English translation on my phone for this video, so I don't know what they said. Because like the video seemed fine. So I don't know why it's rated 19. But it probably because of the lyrics. So gotta translate the song, so I could be like, ooh, that's what he said. But overall, the song was really good. Not one of my favorite BtoB songs, but it's catchy though, especially the beep beep bum bum, beep beep bum bum, especially that part. Pretty much the chorus, and like all the rap verses were really good with Ilhoon. I think that's how I pronounce his name. I don't know, or Hoon. I can call him Hoon, and the other one with the deep voice type-ish, and like his voice fit his body. But yes, I think it. Like, I really want to know, like, tell me, like, everyone's names, like, because I really want to know who their names are. So comment below and just tell me. Like, I really liked it. I liked their outfits, too. And I liked it because it was, like, funny. It wasn't, like, a really serious video. It was, like, really funny. Especially in the beginning when Hoon just gets out of the car and, like, does, like, a little dance. And they're like, yo, get back in the car. And they drive off and leave him. I would have left him, too. I'm like, deuces, homie. We're leaving you here. So overall, I like this video. I like the course. I like the quirkiness of it because it was quirky and funny. So good job, BTO. Good job. So make sure you comment, subscribe, share, and like my video so we can see more of this beautiful face here and talk about K-pop. Deuces, everybody, and this has been Rose.